You hear of manufacturing and you just think of like man. Like I don't know, that's just how it comes from me. Like when I first think of manufacturing, I think of guys working. I don't think of females coming into the picture, so it's not that way at all. Maybe the women work a little harder sometimes, if not more than sometimes. Seems like times are changing. I am an associate software engineer for Sage Glass. Basically just work behind the scenes. I work on the controls that make the windows tint. I went to cosmetology school for a while and then I ended up getting pregnant and dropped out of that. I did want to pursue technology, I just didn't know what exactly. I was a single mom and a friend of mine, I'm pretty sure, said, hey, how would you try this place? Because I was just looking all over the place and at the time there was nothing. Everybody needed lots of schooling. I needed to make sure I could provide for them as well as just feel like a person in society, really. That makes sense for most moms, I think, but. So I started as a tech, like a process tech. I was a little intimidated by it. I didn't know if I could do that, plus be a mom. I mean, it turned out great so far, so. As soon as they offered me the position, I'm like, oh, okay, here we go. Just dive in. And then I reached out for the assistant team lead position, which I took, and then I started my schooling. I mean, I'm not gonna say I've learned everything, but it kind of felt like I hit the point where I'd known as much as I could know in that area. So I decided it was time for me to just jump in and sign up for school and get the ball rolling, I guess. By that time, I had had 2 more children, got married, so I had 3 kids at home. So jumping into school was kind of crazy. You don't hear that very often. I'm a mom that's working full-time and also doing school full-time. Like at Sage, being here, I just kept going because there's always something new on the corner. I'm loving what I'm doing now, just being able to learn every day from my coworkers and continue to just advance. Doesn't matter how many years of school you've had, you're gonna learn something new the next day. Everybody has been willing to help me continue on. I tell somebody that I really want something and they're gonna help me work towards it. So that's how it's been for the last 8.5 years. The growth that Sage has offered and continues to offer is just amazing. It doesn't matter if it's software, any kind of technology, you don't really see females until recently. It's pretty cool to be one of the few that are actually jumping in and taking over. My name is Brittany Hine, and I'm a manufacturer.